Hey guys, I'm going to try to quickly go through this and show you how to create your portfolio and set it up for the first time. So I'm in as a student right now. I'm just going to go up here and click portfolios. And I get this screen. I'm going to say new portfolio. I'm going to put the title here. I want you to put your own description here, the intent of this. What I would do if you're not sure what to put here is I want you to go into the card and figure out what the point of a portfolio is. I would direct you to the overview on the creation of your portfolio card. It kind of explains what it is and what you're doing. I would say something like, this is a collection of my freshman work in altitude for the year. Now I'm going to make my first section here. So I'm just going to call this Mod 1. And I've read ahead in the instructions, so I know that I'm going to also have a Mod 2. So I'm going to do that all the way down to Mod 6 to make sure I have a section for each mod. And it says, let's pin your first card, go to the playlist and select a card. Let's do it. So I'm going to go back to my playlist, and I'm going to start with cards that I've finished. So I'm going to click finish here, and I'm going to open this card. And when I open it, notice right up here there's a pin. It says pin to portfolio. So I'm going to do that. You may have more than one portfolio at some point, so you're going to select this and select this. So I'm going to pretend like this is a Mod 1 card, pin it to the portfolio. It's that easy. Now I'm going to close this one and go out of my finished, and there's a current one that I know I want to have in the portfolio. This won't be for Mod 1, this would just be for Mod 6 if you have current cards. So same thing, I'm going to select the portfolio, I'm going to select the section, and I'm going to pin it. So now I'm just going to close that, and I'm back at the playlist. I'm going to go to my portfolios, and now you can see the portfolio that I've created, my freshman year portfolio. Mod 1 is now populated. They've got these numbers to show you. I believe you can move them around in order by clicking and dragging, but the last thing you need to do is write a 1 or 2 sentence caption here to explain why you chose this card, or maybe if it needs explanation of what it was. I experienced some great learning in this card. I acquired new skills. This assignment, this experience was an important part of my learning. So you're going to do that for each of the 6 mods. So now I think I know what you're wondering. How do I get to the units from Mod 1 that we've already finished? So now I've switched to impersonating another student because the student has more work through the year. So let me show you how to do that. You're going to go up to Units right here. Now notice this has Mod 6 things, but you're going to go down here and click Finished Units. All right, and some of these, we got smarter as we went and we started numbering the mods. So if he opens this card, he's got his Mod 1 stuff here. This is the unit overview, but if you roll down, you can see the cards that he did in each week of the unit, or however the class is divided up. But you might have to open these up. So from there, he could open this up and find anything and pin it to the portfolio. So I think that gives you enough to get you going. Be sure to ask any questions as they come up, but I'm really looking forward to seeing the portfolios you choose and reading what you wrote about why you chose each card. All right, have fun with it and reflect on all the things you learned a lot, because I think you'll find it's quite a bit.